lines through here. Watch out where you're standing. That's no idea.
Kryptonite.
Ooh. It's a deep hole.
Yeah, right, trying to get going.
I've been standing here for about 20 minutes and I can't tell you how many sheep I've seen come to the back of this truck. Hundreds of sheep in this truck. The dogs are inside the semi-trailer and they just keep coming. Yes, girls. You can run free now. I don't know if she's all for how long. Been driving for about 300 k's now. Every which way you go, it's just straight lines. That way, that way, that way, that way. We're going this way. Not a bad wee spot. On, where are we? Trilby station. In camp
Turbo.
Name, what is it?
Turbo.
I mean, we have to cope with bird life, parrots, Jeff, and the hordes of people. Just arrived at Dunlop Station. We're staying at Trilby Station tonight, so we've booked a tour of the station and we've just biked up. So here we are.
Come on in.
Wow. This is the Dunlop homestead, originally built and owned by Sir Samuel McCaughey. So this was always your dream to have this up and running as a sort of open to the public sort of?
No, we were just going to be sheep farmers.
Wow.
We had no idea we were going to open to the public.
Oh, isn't that great that you had?
Yeah, we've been open 6 years.
Wow.
And we opened in the height of the drought
Wow.
to
Yeah.
try and have an income
Supplement that, yeah.
to keep the place running. We'd had to pretty much destock with stock.
God, just trying to open this tin, and look, the original lollies are still in there. Oh my God. Can you...
And he was running up to 500,000 sheep on 1 million acres.
It's day 35 and we've been on the road for 35 days. We're currently at Lower Lila Station and this has been another one of our favourite spots. We've decided to extend our stay and have what we call a bit of a shakedown, which is, you really do need to do this. We're just trying to work out where the best place or spots to put things are, and repairs to coffee machine. It's got a little bit clogged up. We've worked out that the coffee machine has paid its way for what it cost us. Inside the van, looking pretty sharp. Still doing a few changes around. These two games are our lifesavers for when we're sick of talking to each other. We play a game. A little bedroom area, which is really cute little posse. Again, we're a little bit messy at the moment because we're having what we call a shakedown. Got my pantry of, well, really cooking utensils, plates, up there, up here. Work in progress. I need to buy some more baskets and stuff because as you travel, things move around. So, work in progress. Not going to show you. That's Jeff's messy cupboard and Michelle's tidy cupboard. And also, this is the best. Check out this. How organised. And this is a great little tip. All cosmetics and stuff like that go there, which is great. Sink, which gets used, I suppose. Moved things around in here. We've moved, that was on the bottom and that was on the top, so now we've just got like a little setup down there for laundry and potatoes and those sorts of things. So our latest project now is we're working out the most efficient way to store things in the back, and what we're trying to figure out is our electric bike batteries. My pack, which I've refused to not include as part of our kit list. And that's about it. So yeah, day 35. Bikes are absolutely filthy. We really are addressing that problem. We've got in contact with a company in New Zealand that's looking at trying to make a bike cover because the roads are just so dusty here and they're getting trashed. So anyway, this is our home. Good morning. It's day 36 here at Lower Lyre on the Warrego River. Pretty sad to leave this place. It's been very generous. It's fed us. And we've had a lovely time. And today we are making our way to Guga. And we probably won't get there till late tonight. It's a all-day drive, but we've been promised this amazing artesian well swimming pool type of scenario up there for all us grey nomads and weary aching joints.